Alright, beautiful boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. So we have KAROL G here with the song called HUBIERA CONOCIDO, with my perfect Spanish pronunciation there. Anyway, I think this song translates into If I Had Met You Before. So we're also gonna translate this song into a guitar playing, and that would be nice. All right, everything goes almost with guitar, so let's do that together. Capo on second, that's a must here in my opinion for this song. So capo on second, that's the best scenario, and let's go over the chords. We need 4 chords actually, so we're gonna start with A. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the C sharp minor. It's a bar chord. We play the bar on the 4th fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on the B string. The next chord is the B minor, so you have the exact same grip at the C sharp minor, but you just move the exact same grip 2 frets away from you, so you land at this position with the index finger that bars the 2nd fret. Everything else follows, and that gives us 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. There you have the B minor, and the final chord is D minor. Alright, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and it is divided into 2 different parts. They're very similar, but still different, so we need to look at it. Starting with A. So the first part is down, up, clap, up, like this. So a quick down, up, and then up, clap, up. And that's the tempo. Okay, that's the first part, down, up, clap, up. And the second part will be very similar. You don't just have down, up, clap, up. So you don't have down, up. You just take away the first up there in the part 1, and you just chill a little bit more. You have down, up, clap, up. Just like that. So if you put that together, part 1 will be down, up, clap, up, and then down, up, clap, up. Slowly. Okay, and the tempo, a couple of rounds, goes like this. If you do the ups there, as you're gonna do with this part 1 and part 2, just a short up like this on the higher strings, E, B, G perhaps. You don't go full ups like this. You don't have time with it, and it will be a lot of sound. You don't want that. So just a quick turn with your wrist on the higher strings, and that's it for the ups. All right, so we just have the chord progression to go through here, and we're gonna play A, 2 full string rounds. That means part 1, part 2, and then part 1, part 2 again. 2 full rounds of A. Then you go to the C sharp minor. Here you're gonna play 1 full round, and then you're gonna play part 1, the down, up, clap, up, and then you're also gonna add 1 down. Okay, so A, 2 full rounds, slowly like this. And then C sharp minor, 1 full round plus part 1 plus 1 down. Okay, then when you play this down, you have a short pause, and then you reach out with your bar finger, this index, to get the 3rd fret here. This is not a new chord, it's just a bass transition into the B minor that comes right after. So once you play the final down on the C sharp, you have a short pause, and then you reach out with the index finger and get 1 down on the A, and perhaps if you can keep that from the C sharp minor down the bass there. So you just make 1 down on this as well. Here, the A string is important because this is where the change happens from the 4th fret on A string, which is barred from the C sharp minor, over to the 3rd fret, just 1 down like this, okay? So C sharp minor, 1 full round, plus part 1, plus 1 down, short pause, then you reach out to the 3rd fret on the A string, get 1 kick there on the down there, and then you go over to B minor and play 2 full rounds, and then you end with the D minor, 2 full rounds. And that is 1 chord progression. So I'm going to take you through this 1 round slowly so you really understand what's going on, especially with the C sharp to the reached part and then to how to move on. So let's go for 1 full round slowly. In standard tempo, something like this. There you have Karol G's If I Had Met You Before, the easier version for me to pronounce this song here. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. 4 chords basically, they were played in the same way through the entire song. That's it. So good luck with this one and play tuned.